Hi, speaking to Eswatini family. My name is Nombosim Tetwa and I am your host. Today we are at EU MTN Bushfire Schools Festival. We are here to capture and to enjoy, the social activities that be happening today. We have schools performing, they're doing miso, they're doing poets, they're doing drama, fashion. So take a journey with me as we enjoy this beautiful festival. With me, I have one of the schools that were also in front of the march. Let's get to know them and hear how the experience has been. So what is your name?
My name is Asanda Mkonda.
What's your name?
My name is Kaitle Dlamini and I'm the best drummer in the Salesian Cross Friends.
Asanda Mkonda, how has the experience been today? Being in front of the march as the head dramaturg leader, how has the whole experience been?
It was very great. I really enjoy.
So how was it like performing, like being in front? This is a big event. This is EU MTN Bushfire. How was it like being in front of the march and just playing the instrument the whole time?
I used to march on, but today was wow. There was this fun, the atmosphere, the people's diverse people, and EU Bushfire Schools Festival. This is my third time coming here, and every year the fire keeps on burning and burning and burning.
Would you guys say EU is helping with the arts in the country? Because at this point, you are seeing you guys dancing. We have this platform where we see people exploring their talents and being, passionate about what they like. Would you say EU is helping in a sense? What's your feeling about EU partnering with this whole event?
Okay, I think the EU, the school festival is about young people showcasing their talents.
Yes, EU is helping a lot. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for EU. So I really think EU is really doing a great job in promoting this event.
Bushfire is all about the power of art to transform.
True.
We saw that today's motto is the artifact, the transformative power of art.
Yeah.
And art is not only entertainment. It's not only allowing young people to express themselves, but it also allowing young people to dream. We are exposing indeed all these hundreds of students today, so they can see what else is possible. They can dream of a better life. They can dream of many opportunities that also careers in the art sector and creative industries provide. So partnership is going back, I think 7 years. So this is the 7th time we partner, and we stand together because we see art as empowering children. We see the opportunity for children to learn through art.
True.
And also through art, they have skills that are valued in the private sector, no matter what job they want to choose. If you know how to express this and to articulate, if you speak well, if you're not shy, if you are bold to dream, if you're assertive, these are all qualities that you need for any job. So the power of art to help young people grow their dreams, but also learn the skills that will help them find jobs or start their own businesses. And that's why we partner with the Bushfire. They have done very successfully this blending between business and art. And we know how much Bushfire brings to the country, how many jobs Bushfire creates. So it's a very good example of success when creative industries help the development of the country, help create jobs and help empower communities.
No, I think this is very important. I think we'd like to thank you for being in partnership because it brings another perspective into the situation. Because I feel like growing up, art hasn't been that much of a thing that we're focusing on. We only knew that we have to learn and be in school academic-wise. So when we see art being in this platform, it's like, it's great. So thank you so much for being in partnership and sharing such values to help us as a country focus more on the art part of the economy of a person actually. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your
You're
time.
welcome.
And
It's a pleasure.
having this interview with you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Just to get a feel, are you guys enjoying the event? Is it good? Your energy is not saying you guys are enjoying. Are you guys enjoying being here?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. This was Egukanyeni Geometry. So thank you so much, guys, for your time. Hopefully you enjoy the event as it goes on. You know what? Thank you so much, Salida, for having us and for taking time to answer my questions.